prevent sleep paralysis. Now let's talk about the most important part, preventing sleep paralysis naturally. Maintain a proper sleep schedule. Try sleeping and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. A regular routine helps your brain maintain a healthy sleep cycle. Get enough sleep. Most people need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Proper rest helps the brain and body recover naturally. Sleep on your side. If you often experience sleep paralysis, try avoiding sleeping on your back. Many people notice fewer episodes when sleeping sideways. Relax before sleeping. Avoid stress and scary content before bedtime. Instead, try listening to calm music, reading a book, light stretching, deep breathing exercises. These activities relax the brain and improve sleep quality. Reduce screen time. Try turning off your phone at least 30 to 60 minutes before sleeping. This helps your brain calm down naturally. Avoid caffeine at night. Limit tea, coffee, and energy drinks in the evening because stimulants can interfere with deep sleep. Improve your sleep environment. Your room should feel calm and comfortable. Keep lights dim, reduce noise, keep the room cool, use comfortable bedding. A peaceful environment improves sleep quality and helps your body rest properly. What to do during sleep paralysis? If sleep paralysis happens again, remember one important thing. You are safe. Even though it feels terrifying, the episode usually lasts only a few seconds or minutes. Instead of panicking, focus on slow breathing. Stay calm. Try moving your fingers or toes first. Remind yourself that it will pass soon. The more panic you feel, the scarier the experience becomes. Staying calm can help your body wake up. Sleep paralysis may feel mysterious and frightening, but understanding the science behind it removes much of the fear. With proper sleep, less stress, and healthy habits, many people can reduce or completely stop these episodes. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more mysterious and mind-blowing videos. Thanks for watching, and sleep peacefully tonight.